Did you know that one simple exercise could completely transform your body, boost your metabolism, and even make you look and feel younger? Sounds unbelievable, right? But science has proven that this one move can do wonders for your strength, posture, and even your overall health. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership. If you want to unlock the true potential of your body, stay with me till the end because today, we're diving deep into the world of squats, the ultimate game changer. Before we begin, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever wondered why athletes, bodybuilders, and even physical therapists swear by squats? Is there a secret they know that you don't? Or is it just another fitness trend? Get ready, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand why squats are so powerful, but you might just want to start doing them every single day. The magic of squats. Squats are often referred to as the king of all exercises, and for a good reason. Unlike isolated exercises that target only one muscle at a time, squats work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Your quads, hamstrings, glutes, core, and even your lower back are all activated in just one movement. But the benefits don't stop there. Squats also improve mobility, balance, and flexibility, making them one of the most functional exercises you can do. Imagine having stronger legs, a tighter core, and better posture, all from just one exercise. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because we're about to uncover the science behind why squats might just be the most powerful movement you can add to your routine. But wait, there's more. Squats don't just transform your physique, they can also help you burn fat faster than you ever thought possible. Yes, you heard that right. Many people think of squats as just a leg exercise, but did you know they actually trigger a powerful hormonal response that helps with fat loss and muscle building? Let's break it down. The science behind squats and fat loss. When you perform a squat, your body recruits some of its largest muscle groups, your legs and glutes. These muscles require a significant amount of energy, which means your body starts burning more calories, not just during your workout, but even after you're done exercising. This is known as the afterburn effect, or EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. It means that even hours after finishing your squats, your body is still torching fat. And that's not all. Squats also stimulate the release of key hormones like testosterone and human growth hormone, both of which are essential for muscle building and fat loss. This is why people who incorporate squats into their routine often see faster results compared to those who only focus on cardio or upper body workouts. Still not convinced? Let me throw another surprising fact your way. Squats don't just impact your legs, they can actually help strengthen your bones, protect your joints, and even slow down aging. Yes, you heard that right. This simple movement has anti-aging benefits that most people overlook. Let's take a closer look. Squats for stronger bones and joints. One of the biggest concerns as we age is the loss of bone density and joint health. Weak bones lead to fractures, and poor joint mobility can make even basic movements feel painful. But here's the good news, squats can help prevent both of these issues. When you squat, the pressure placed on your bones stimulates bone remodeling, making them denser and stronger over time. This is especially important for women, as they are more prone to osteoporosis. But it's not just about bones, your knees, hips, and ankles also benefit. By strengthening the muscles around these joints, squats reduce the risk of injury and keep you mobile for years to come. And if you think squats are just for fitness junkies, think again. Studies have shown that squats improve overall athletic performance, help with everyday activities like walking and climbing stairs, and can even reduce lower back pain. So whether you're an athlete or someone who just wants to move better in daily life, squats are a must-have in your routine. Improving posture and core strength. Do you spend hours sitting at a desk? Do you suffer from poor posture or back pain? If so, squats might be the perfect solution. Unlike crunches or sit-ups that only target the front of your core, squats engage the entire core, including the deep stabilizing muscles in your back. Every time you perform a squat, your core muscles are forced to stabilize your spine and keep you upright. This not only strengthens your midsection but also improves posture and reduces strain on your lower back. Over time, you'll notice that standing tall and maintaining good posture becomes effortless. Plus, a strong core means better balance and a lower risk of falls, especially as you get older. And here's another fun fact: squats can actually boost your brain power. Yes, you heard that right. Exercise isn't just about looking good, it also has a direct impact on your cognitive function and mental health. But how exactly does squatting affect your brain? Let's find out. The mind-body connection, exercise has long been linked to brain health, but compound movements like squats take it a step further. Studies show that squats increase blood flow to the brain, helping with focus, memory, and even creativity. They also reduce stress and anxiety by triggering the release of endorphins, your body's natural mood boosters. In fact, some researchers suggest that deep squats can improve neuroplasticity, which is your brain's ability to adapt and grow. So the next time you're feeling sluggish or unmotivated, try doing a few sets of squats. You might just feel more energized and focused. How to perform the perfect squat? Now that you know why squats are the ultimate game changer, let's talk about how to do them correctly. A poorly performed squat can put unnecessary strain on your knees and back, so form is everything. 1. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and toes slightly pointed outward. 2. Engage your core and keep your chest up. 3. Lower your body by bending at the hips and knees, as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. 4. Keep your weight on your heels and your knees aligned with your toes. 5. Go as low as you can while maintaining good form, then push through your heels to return to standing. For beginners, bodyweight squats are a great starting point. But as you progress, you can add weights, resistance bands, or even try variations like jump squats or pistol squats to challenge yourself further. So, are squats the ultimate game changer? The answer is a resounding yes. From building muscle and burning fat to strengthening your bones and boosting brain function, squats are truly one of the most powerful exercises you can do. The best part? You can start right now, no equipment, no excuses. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed health and fitness tips. And if you're ready to take your squat game to the next level, drop a comment below and let me know, how many squats can you do in one go? Let's start the challenge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.